And here is the update on the Opuntia Cactus plant that I have. It has some flowers there. What I like about this one is that it has beautiful orange flowers, and it grows fast. This is only like 2.5 years old, and I have it in a bucket, and it grows fast, and it started producing. So imagine if it was in the ground, it would have been even bigger than that. There it is. I'm going to show you the flower, what it looks like. Let's see. That's what it looks like. So beautiful flower. It has three uses actually. I like cactus. I like to fry the cactus pads, like tender ones, and also prickly pears, and for beautiness. 3 uses for this Opuntia cactus plant. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more videos of my garden plants. Thank you for watching.